Out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. V again from Aatinaa. Today is June the 9th, 2021. How are you today? I'm hope that you are fine. Before we start this video, I would like to mention our disclaimer. We are not certified investment advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. So we are not going to give any advice to buy or sell. So if you would like to know more about Aatinaa, you can go to our website, www.aatinaa.co. Aatinaa is Aatinaa. Okay. Today I have, as usual, Mr. Yusri, our CEO from Aatinaa Enterprise. Assalamualaikum, Pak Yusri.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, alhamdulillah. Yourself?
Alhamdulillah. I'm good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much.
Good.
All right. Can you share with us what happened yesterday? What did Aatinaa buy, and then what is the progress on those stock, and then what is the outlook for today's trading?
Yes, absolutely. I'll be very happy to discuss that. And
Right.
I guess, do you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what I have here is my setup for Aatinaa trading. This Thinkorswim. Like I always do, I always have two panels. One on the left is the minutes chart, and one on the right, that's the daily chart. All right. And just to cover quickly what we have today, I guess the first thing we always do is look at FIX, what FIX is doing. So FIX, the fear index, and as you can see, is slightly moving up since yesterday close, but it's not too bad. You know, if you look at on the daily pattern over here, we are still in the low, we're still about 17, you know, so there's really nothing to worry about. Um, People are still pretty confident with the market right now. And you would see some of, maybe more green day than the red day today if you look at the big visual market type of things. Okay, so that's the expectation for today. And what does it do for Tina? We may take some profit from our positions when we buying day like this, and we, if there is a good position to enter, we're gonna buying that to that one as well. So it's just like normal day trading.
Okay.
We bought four. We get into new four position yesterday. This guy here, this CDNS, Exas, PRA, and SPWR. So let's take a look at them one by one.
It's all green. That's excellent.
It's all green today. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. And I believe the CDNS. And if you know when did we buy it and what price did we buy it yesterday, you can always go back to our dashboard, and you can see SPWR. This the time and date. Like we bought it like 1:30, and we bought 24.85. So let's see how was SPWR. Let's go to SPWR. 24.85, somewhere in here. I guess we bought it yesterday when it's come after that big run that we see the big volume over here. Big run. We waiting till pull back a little bit, and we bought it right there, somewhere in here. And this morning, by the market open, went up to all the way to 26. That's good. I think it's almost close to our target exit sell right there. What's our target again? 26.59, but it doesn't hit it. 26.59. 26.59 is right there. And if it does, that's about 7% profit, very close from yesterday to today.
Right.
5%, I would say. But that's okay. If you look at our daily trend over here, I'm going to zoom it a little bit so everybody can see it better. So we bought it yesterday pretty much on the down, on the bottom of the sinusoid cycle. So I'm ready, actually waiting for it to go back up. There are quite a few scenario where we can exit. you can take a short exit like about 26.5, like we said it yesterday, but we can leave it a little longer if you have, uh, if you like to play it around longer time frame, it's fine too. So this that's what SPWR. I think this is sun power. So you would see more of the sun energy, renewable energy, start picking up the steam again right now. So that's a good sign.
Okay.
The next one is PR8. PRA is the medical, some of medical, and we believe we bought it here. PRA we bought it yesterday at, I'm gonna go 169.8. Yeah, somewhere in here. That we bought after this big sign, a big signature right there, big volume right there. We bought right there, and we are in positive right now, but still pretty small. So let's see. I mean, pretty. Yeah, we are still down here. I can wait to exit target on this one to let ride it up until 172, 175, somewhere in here. So it's good. We seen
Okay.
positive from where we moved yesterday.
Right.
The other
Cool.
one was EXS. This one, let's double check. When did we buy it yesterday? We bought it 12:54, 1 o'clock with the price of 11:13, 113. So I think it's right here. It's pretty clear, obvious sign, obvious signal. This is the entry sign for Aatinaa from our algo coming up. This big indicator one coming in. We bought 113, and Alhamdulillah, it rised up all the way to 117 this morning. What I'm gonna do on this one, I'm just gonna let it ride to maybe higher than the target we mentioned on the text alert. I see the trend of this one could give out to up at 130. So
Mhm.
we may ride it a little bit longer on this one.
Okay.
But as of today, I think we are already in from 113 to 150, 116. So about $3 positive right now into these positions.
Right.
Cool. CDNS, I think we bought it here yesterday as well, just after the several big sign over here, a big signal from Aatinaa algo, and we are also doing positive right now. So really nothing to do for these positions. Just wait until it fills our target cell, or you can modify the target cell for accordingly to your risk tolerance.
Okay.
And as of today, where the market is going, you can see in my major market index here on the top, uh, Nasdaq is positive. QQQ is positive over here. Spider is positive, from yesterday. So that's a good sign. I think when we can look at what's contributing to this one here, and we do have our home run, our double, and our single uh, uh, position alert over here. Tesla coming in a home run, 602. I guess this one, all of that causing the home run case over here, the signal, but the pullback immediately after. We still own position in Tesla, so we're not gonna add position to that. We're just gonna wait until a better signal. On the double alert over here, we have CLNE. CLNE is the energy energy sector. That's
Mhm.
clean energy. It was plus 28% this morning. So that jump, I mean, right now, 28% in that one. I think I noticed that one like a 30 plus, jump gap this morning. To me, yes, it's a good sign. It's good. It's recovering, but that's already too high. The gap is too much.
Yeah.
I'm afraid we look at the gap over here. That's about 30% gap right there.
Yeah.
I'm afraid we would do just like this to another here after the
Yeah.
big gap. People take some profit and the price coming down again.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna get into this. This is too
Yeah.
much for
Yeah.
me. Too risky. So let's look at where we can possibly do. PG is a good one. Let's see what PG does. PG, yeah. I'm gonna scroll some more to the bottom. ABT, we have that already, so we're not gonna enter that. J&J, I guess we are still. I'm still waiting. It may be come up. Maybe today is a good time to buy to get back on J&J. You know, see you're on the bottom of the sinus with signal right now, and you got a big signal in the morning. So I'm thinking of buying J&J today. Let me see the others.
Okay.
Lily, it's a big 2 days ago, and probably too high for now. They're over here, so we're just waiting for that. Them, Marvel, we still own them. Pretty good right now. Twitter. Okay, this another one, another play I might get into. Twitter and J&J for today.
Okay.
I'll wait for a better signal, maybe a little bit more, uh, put the price pulling back a little bit, and then we get into it.
Right.
That's I see how market going this morning, and that's our plan for today, Mr. Fozzy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Pak Yusri,
You're
for
welcome.
the sharing. Okay. I think that's it for today's session. I'll see you again in our next educational series, video
Yeah.
series.
Yeah, for the
Assalamualaikum. Okay.
for these
And it,
subscribers, I think
mhm.
when we get into J&J or Twitter today, I think you will have the stock alert. So
Mhm.
take a look at that. And if you missed that, you can always go to our portfolio and it will
Yeah.
be updated right here on top.
Right. Absolutely. All
Yep.
right. That's cool. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
No problem. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.